Imagine buying Solana at $2 and BNB at $10 before they actually exploded. Well, right now in 2025, there is an AI coin I just bought which I expect to explode very soon. And the most interesting thing is, no one is actually talking about this particular coin. Now, if you miss the coin I'm going to talk about in this video, then you might regret missing out on a lot of gains that is coming very soon. And before I talk about this coin, be sure to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel. And the name of this coin is called TAS Protocol and the ticker is TAI. Now let's dive into what is TAS Protocol and what are some of the reasons why I am very bullish on this particular coin. And after that, we're going to look at the price for this coin and some of the parameters you need to look out for before investing into this particular coin. And finally, we're going to talk about platforms where you can actually buy this coin. So let's get started with what is TAS Protocol. TAS Protocol is an AI-driven, scalable Web3 modular infrastructure platform built on the Solana blockchain with the aim of advancing the integration of AI, Web2, and Web3 technologies. It is also an advanced AI agent market to create, trade, and explore AI commodities. Now, here's the website for TAS Protocol, and you can see some of their products over here. First, we have TGPT, where you can search anything you want. What is TAS Protocol? And it's just going to give you everything right away. And right here, it is going to give you all of the things you actually need about it. And they also have Sonar. They also have the research section, then the AI market, and right now you can see there's also staking over here. Now let's go over to what are some of the reasons why I'm bullish on TAS Protocol. The first reason is TAS Protocol is the first AI project backed by Solana and supported by a grant from the Solana Foundation. I personally think this is actually a big thing for TAS Protocol. Now the second reason is their partnership with Amazon. You guys know Amazon, one of the biggest companies all over the world right now. And you can see when they put out a tweet right here saying, with the growing infrastructure demand and consistent deployment, TAS has drawn strong alignment with AWS, opening doors to deeper collaborations around user growth, event support, and next generation LLM integration. So you can see when they put out the tweet right here on the 17th of April 2025. The third reason is TAS was the only Solana AI project to attend the NVIDIA GTC event and got into the NVIDIA Inception program. I can see a tweet where they were officially accepted into the NVIDIA Inception program. And here's a glimpse of it. You can actually check out some of these things by yourself. And recently, TAS Protocol actually launched a $1 million AI grant program to supercharge innovation on their platform. And also, they got listed on KuCoin, which is one of the biggest exchanges right now. Now, the final thing why I'm actually bullish on this is TAS is actually having a buyback where they're buying about 15 million of their token. Now, let's go over to CoinMarketCap and let's talk more about that. So this is TAS Protocol on CoinMarketCap, and you can see the current price is $0.1. Market cap is around $79 million and FDV is $115 million FDV. Now, the volume is actually very much insane with a $56 million volume. If you are trying to buy 15 million coins, that will be somewhere around $1.7 million they are using to buy back some of their tokens. I probably guess they started buying back already, and that is why they have a very good chart right here. You can see this big movement right here, but let's go over to trading view and let's analyze that properly. All right, so if you look at the chart right here, you can see this big movement just a few days ago on the 19th. It started moving up. So I'm going to show you, and this is about 588% price movement already, but right now it's a little bit down, which is still somewhere around 420% from the bottom to where it is right now, which is almost a 5x already. And if you look right here, this area here looks like a resistance, which it has actually broken above it. And if you look at this region, this was a resistance for it, and if you look right here, it has actually broken above it. So this looks like a breakout. We touched on that particular resistance, which has turned to support right now, and a continuous price movement on the upside. It's not just going to go up like this in a line. You could have kind of like a choppy movement like this, and a down, an uptrend, a continuation like that. It's not just going to go up in a straight line like that. So this could most likely play out like this with a breakout and retest, and that is why I think this is a very good region to buy TAI before it explodes even higher. Now, if you need more details about it, you can actually check out the about sections right here, and you can also look at their website which I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. And over here, you can see the team members of the TAS Protocol. And one of the things that caught my attention right here was the fact that they really don't have an unlock coming up very soon, which means there's not going to be an unlock coming up very soon. And this is going to give it room to run harder without any more inflation coming in very soon. And if you're looking out for where you can actually buy the token, over to the market section, you can see this token is listed on Bybit, Radium, Mexi, Gate.io, KuCoin, Bitmart, and many other exchanges you can see right now. So what you can do is, any of these platforms that work for you, you can actually use them to buy it. And if you don't know how to buy a coin using any of these platforms, I've done a couple of videos about how to trade on centralized exchanges and even how to trade on DeFi exchanges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to those videos in the description so you can check out those videos and find out how you can buy this particular coin. And guys, this is all of it about the TAS Protocol. But one thing I'm going to recommend is you actually follow them on all their socials, because that way you keep track of some of their latest development and what is happening around them. So this is some of the reasons why I'm bullish on TAS Protocol. But guys, remember that none of what I said in this video is the financial advice. I would encourage you to do your due diligence before investing into any particular coin. Crypto is actually risky. And guys, to come to the end of this video, if you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel, and let me know which other coin you love me to do some deep research about and make a video about. Comment that in the comment section. I will be there to check out some of those coins, and I'll do a video about them in the future. And bye for now.